want to talk a bit about this book, Essential Linux Command by Paul Olushida. He's a friend, he's a colleague. He wrote this book, and I would say this book is really great, not only for Linux administrators, but as a penetration tester, a lot of commands that we can pick and learn from in this book. Basically, 100 Linux commands every system administration should know, but not only for Linux administrators only. We have people like myself, penetration testers, who can utilize and take opportunity of this book. And there's a lot of information there that you can also learn from. It's also emphasized more on the Linux environment, a lot of things that I have not even seen before or known or heard about. When I was going through it, I saw it on the book. So I would just suggest, just go for it if you actually want to become an expert in Linux and want to improve your skill or learning different kind of Linux commands. This book is best for it's available on Amazon. I'll put the link on the description, so in case you want to buy or go for this book, you can always purchase it on Amazon. I'll put the link on the description so you can get it as yourself. Just one thing I just want to introduce when we proceed. Thank you, guys.